All right, guys, shout out to the Cortlands of Buckhead. This is the 15th unit we would be doing for them. They started using me about a year and a half ago, so they did not have to replace these engineered floors. So the manager called me yesterday, said, Courtney, I got another one for you. So I told her we can stop by today after we just finished the one in Sandy Springs. We got a great feedback from Miss Ann. So let me show you what we got going. Guys, so this whole complex, I think it's like 400 units. And she said, Courtney, you basically have the whole complex to yourself anytime we need you for these services. Because other than that, they've already priced it, and it would cost them anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000 to replace each floor. So instead, because these are rentals, they would rather just use my method. I think I'm locked out. How you get out? You got the key? Oh, there we go. All right, guys. So me and T about to go in the elevator. All right, guys, so we are on the first floor. All right, see what we got here at Cortland. All right, so let's take a look at these floors. All righty, yep. So again, guys, see right here? See these engineered floors? The veneer starts chipping. They get a lot of wear up in here, here. Oh, yeah. Now we did one time, guys. It was so bad. I was like, listen, I don't know about this one. And they was like, Courtney, just do the best you can. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So this floor is gonna look a whole lot different when we're done. And then they'll just pay me as soon as I'm done with a credit card. And then we're gonna go ahead and knock out this UV cure that one of my Sandy guys finished today, that he started Monday. Again, guys, sanding is a lot of work, a lot of time. He started the job Monday, and here it is. Today is Friday. He's just not finishing up. All right, guys.
From the ATL city to the suburb non-stop. One day UV cure, not a whole flow pop.
Truman got it on lock, yeah, got it on lock. Rolling through Atlanta with the buffer non-stop. Cleaning buff shine, make the whole floor rock. UV cure system, put the game in shock. Truman got it on lock, yeah, got it on lock. Out of state jobs and we still can't stop. YouTube videos got the whole world watching. Courtney lead a man, whole industry copying.
Put up in the van, blue and yellow, too clean. Buffing out the hardwood, make it shine like a dream. One day Recoat, furniture back, same day. Clients look amazed every single time we spray. From Buckhead condo to the big suburbs, everybody call Truman when they flows look hurt. Screen it coated, UV light flash. Now the whole flow hard, smooth, built the last.
Nobody do it like Courtney Lee. Michael Jordan of the industry. Round and round with the Buffer King.
Whole ATL, here to roll the scene.
Truman got it on lock, yeah, got it on lock. From Decatur all the way to the mountain tops. Clean and buff shine, make the whole floor glow. When Truman hit the crib, everybody know. Truman got it on lock, yeah, got it on lock. YouTube king and the views don't stop. UV cure, no wait, no pause. Truman run the game, that's word to the floors.
Round, then round, go to buffers.
All right, guys, we're about to get this finished down. I'm not gonna wait for this to dry. I'm just gonna leave, and she told me just leave the key file on the counter. But you can see how much better this floor looked. Again, screened, vacuum cleaned, color correction. Remember all the missing color up in here. Look all up in here, guys. Look at that color correction. Just amazing. Just amazing. OT, where that rag at? Right in that corner. That looks amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the coating down. Got the Pro Coat going down. All right. And then we gotta go to this job that my guy Aaron just laid the rag coat down around 4. So we'll get to them about 6:30. And that's actually perfect timing. And all right, guys, go ahead and get a little video of me just rolling some finish. See you in the next one.